bro, how your side? I hope so you balance, I hope so you sharp. You get one or two matters I go like clear you. Now go let me pay attention, you understand. Relationship went sweet and billing kill am, no be lie. Now Momo they pay for love. Ask me how. You see, love these days they expensive. Love no cheap. To build house come even cheap pass to build relationship. Love does not cost a dime. Now in those days, not be this period or time. You don't see the price of weed, the cost of ordinary outings, the billings for shawarma, pizza, and other cravings. Now, no money, no true love, bro. Now, hand them take the show love, no be hard again. Ask Nigerian girls, I'm expensive, but what you know if you buy for yourself, precious. Bro, don't let it pressure you. No momo, no lose guard. Woman go love, na man they pay. Man go love, na man they prove. Na still with money. Love sweet, I agree. Love bam, no one. Love sharp, no be lie. But bro, don't pressure yourself, no momo, no lose guard. If you see girl when you like, fine. If she likes you back, hold am tight. Because now how much can you press through the streets? Now give and take full here as we speak. So bro, can't pressure, no momo, no lose guard. And remember say, love when you use money buy, be like lapo igbese. They know the fit ever pay finish. So can't pressure, no momo, no lose guard.